Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nika, and today we are gonna do a little different thing. We are gonna be practicing hand lettering with a pencil. Yay! So I just tried it some days ago and I loved it. I thought it was so fun to do, and I don't know, I just enjoyed it really a lot. So what you need for this is obviously a pencil. You don't need a brush pen to start hand lettering, especially if you are a newbie and you're not sure what if you want to invest in brush pens or anything like that. You don't need anything. You just need a pencil. Mine are from the dollar store, from the Sanrio store, and from AliExpress. None of them are more than $2. None of them. So what you need is to make sure that it's a very dark pencil, so you know, like, you can see more the effect of what you're looking for. Like, one of the pencils that I have is too light, and you can see the difference when I use a darker one. So the brush-ish style effect, like, it shows more. So what we need to do to get this brush style lettering effect with a pencil is simply flatten one side of the pencil. This is the most annoying part, especially if you don't have a texturized paper to do it. For example, my paper is very soft, so I spend a bunch of time like trying to get the tip of the pencil slanted. So what we want to create is, like, imagine a Crayola. So it's a conic point, right? So it doesn't matter where you grab the pencil. When you're doing pencil lettering with a pencil, you have to grab the pencil on the side that you flatten the tip. So it's gonna have like one peak, and then it's gonna go down like a mountain. That's the effect we're trying to create by scratching the pencil like that. So once we got that done, we can start writing whatever we want to write. So this is so cool, especially for newbies, that you can even do hand lettering drills with a pencil. By the way, if you're interested, I have in the description box the link to my website where you can download my free drills worksheet. I have problems with that word. Worksheets. Okay. Done. So it's for free. You can download it, and it also has some extra pages for you to practice and, you know, feel like you're getting started. So with that out of the way, let's begin showing you. So if you're total newbie, probably you haven't done this before with a Crayola, but lettering with a pencil is the same thing as lettering with a Crayola. So you are gonna put the tip of the pencil, and once you are gonna go down the downstroke, you're gonna flatten the pencil completely on the surface. Meanwhile, before you were using just barely the tip, now you're gonna flatten. You can make hand pressure if you want. So what is amazing or so good about this, and why I recommend it for newbies, is because not only you don't need a budget to start. Everybody has a pencil at home. You can also get Crayolas if you want to play with colors, because Crayolas and pencil in hand lettering give you the hang of your hand, you know what I mean? So you can develop the muscle memory necessary to create beautiful strokes without ever fraying the tip of any brush pen, especially expensive ones, you know what I mean? So yeah. So as you can see, it's really easy. There is really no rocket science about it. Just use it like Crayolas. Keep the tip very light on the upstrokes and push that pen down, or that pencil in this case, with all your might, or as much as your hand is. I am a heavy-handed person, so that's why I say with all your might. And then you're gonna get thin and thick strokes, and you're gonna be mesmerized at it. Honestly, I haven't touched a brush pen in these last 3 days because I like it with pencil. So Anyway, I thought you enjoyed this very short video. I hope to see you in the next one. If you're new to this channel, help me grow by giving a like, commenting, and subscribing. It's free and it makes me really happy. And I'm gonna keep creating content. You can leave in the comments below what kind of content would you like to see in the channel, and I will try to keep it up. So see you on the next, and take care.